Hey, it's me arrive with the camera. Oh, Elf, you're going to sleep, but you headed to say hi. Well, hi, and good night to you. Yeah, it's my fault. I'm kind of very distinct right now with the sun. It is very annoying, but yeah. So, I'm gonna say good night to you, and happy progression on your bat game, because it looks really cool. So what about today? We said day 14. Just make sure. Yes, 14. So I've been actually very lazy on this project so far. Like, what if I look at the days? 3, 5, 9, 14. Yes, I'm kind of making big jump. But us. Uh, the thing is that the prototype works very well, and the addition of new features goes pretty good so far. So what I wanted to do is to have the nodes have this little invest system. So this is pretty much done, kind of, in the surface. So you can invest in a node, get it colored, and then you have access to this. But the thing is that even though like you don't have access to the node, you can still have work. So that's something I have to do. And also fix this empty node thing, right? Like there's no production site, right? This will have to go. Maybe we can start with this. I think it's going to be quite necessary to start listing things I want to do. So what if I open GitHub here and try to look at the board? I should have some. Like, does it idle? I have project. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna create a new item. That's right. Yes. Create a new. Oh, no. Create a new issue. Oh wait, what? Okay, there we go. So here's the issue, and that's gonna be something around map nodes. I need something more. What if I say map nodes? And add something there. What am I trying to do right here? Connection and invest? Okay. I should be able to create a list, I guess. Is this markdown? It is markdown. Okay. So first thing I want to do is to fix the, I want to say empty node thing. Like, yes. So maybe I can create categories. Like, so here we would have bug fix these. Bug fix. And here we want to map node UI opens no production site if they are instead of testing. Okay. prevent production sites use when the node isn't owned. That's something we want to do. We bind the escape key to close the production site. Yeah. What else? We need connections. Okay. So here we're gonna go with create node connector. Also, I want to create a connected node by default. Something like this. Okay, what else? Maybe we want to move the camera to the node when clicked. Or when inspected, actually. Introduction time. Escape key connection. Camera move. Okay. So as for the lines, we can't technically create lines, but we can make something like in kind of a placeholder line, because ultimately I think I will want to have this done by shaders. Hi Sky, saying C# you want to learn, can you help me? You're Turkish and you don't know English. So far I've made only one series of videos about C#. It's not really going through how to code with it. It shows, but it's not explaining in detail. I'm kind of out of date with it and don't really remember right now. Basically, this is the series you may have already seen. I'm just checking what it looks like. I'm quite curious myself. Because I will tell you how it is. Anime scene, was scene. Okay, script. So I have it so far. I think I oversimplified it. So there's a lot of things I don't cover in there. You don't understand everything, you can only understand the text if you write a chat. Well, if you speak French, can help you with that. So, yeah, I'm gonna say that I have to make a dedicated series to learn C# in particular. Why am I not hearing something wrong? Oh, now I hear it. C# in particular. Yeah. So I don't know if you can get the transcript of videos. Well, there is something. Eventually in the future, I will make a written version of my tutorial series. Can you ask what the problem is? Yes, it is. And you want to make your own Skyblock game? You want to do it. Okay. Not easy, but not impossible. I'm gonna go with, I think, maybe you're using a translator. Not easy. And sure. No, because... Just checking that my issue is fully completed. I think that's okay for now. Eventually I will update it later. Let's say that it's ready. You don't need to tire yourself with writing, please don't get tired. I just started the stream, like I'm fresh right now. And if you know, like, typing's my job. Okay, so let's close this game and see what we can do. Because I'm pretty sure that the connection thing is already done. Let's actually create a new inherited theme. Just set any problem. I'm not sure if you actually exposed the problem or not. Oh. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I need a new icon. What's the size? Okay, you guys gotta stop. Let's see. Oh, perfect. There we go. We'll keep that on the side. And alright, let's see. Files. By the way, you are wondering what game I'm playing. Right now, I'm super bored and I don't know what to play, so I'm just jumping between League of Legends and RimWorld. Because I don't have much installed anyway. Let's have it for children. House. I don't know if I should change the color of the text as well. Maybe I should. I could do that. So I think I have to go in this script in particular. Ah, Visual Studios, node open. Let's see, we have the, yeah, go in the billboard and get the link. Yes. We're gonna have the private label 3D. I have no idea how it's named. Let's see. Label 3D. Yeah, let's go with that. And it's probably just modulated. Okay. Just want to see how it looks. Could be nice. That's kind of weird. Eventually I will have to make the text bigger. Yeah, kind of except that the black outline is a little weird. Yes, eventually I will remove that. Okay. So I was actually adding city. I don't think I have much to add about that. Just have to position it somewhere. Gotta go here. Node. And oh, that's 7.5 up. There we go. And we're gonna have this city around here or something. The point of this is just to show that it is connected to the other node. Okay. And by default, I want this one to be purchased. Okay, so I think I have to go in my data something. Data resource. Initialize map.data. Yep. And once we have created the map, we want data map.data in NVIDIA city. And we want is purchase to be true. Because this is the starting town, basically. So if I run this, the town should be yellow. Yes. This is good. I think I'm gonna make the outline white. This is weird. Yes, so maybe no outline. Or no outline. What about a font? Sorry, wrote the first take without translating it. I didn't see anything. Oh, maybe on Discord you mean. Actually, no. The thing is, do I have bold font? I think I should bring. I don't know. Yeah, let's not overthink that. It's not the important part. Okay, let's see. So we need the connections. Map node. Connected map node, and that's a fixed array. Not sure how you're supposed to say what kind of type that is. Anyway. Okay, Bounty Farm. Okay, so we're connected to Verdia City and Empty Node. Let's go with that. Map node. So here we're connected to the farm. And here we're connected to the farm as well. OC. There we go. Actually, I don't see any first. Actually, maybe they are, because sometimes the chat is a little bit wonky. No, there's nothing. But yeah, sometimes there's a little bit of a discrepancy between both chat. Okay, so the nodes are connected. Now, I think I want to create something to say and ask, are the nodes connected? Something simple. Like public static boolean is connected. So we want to map node enum, of course. Yeah, we can try. Not an easy task with the language barrier. Especially since English isn't even my native language. Okay, so here, let's see, we have the map node enum. And probably want a for each. Okay, no, wait, we need to load first. So. Data. I have data somewhere. So. One map node. To be like map node dot load. Yes, map node enum, that's perfect. So then for each element, which is map node enum, connected enum, we want to make a check. So if map node data actually connected map. Okay, so if we find any which is purchased, then the node's connected. Otherwise, it's not. If you don't have a game ID or speed, you can't help me. Speed. And my question is to play ultimate, because I had to consider that I think in this series the chat isn't redistributed when you watch. Usually it's not that important. Change that. So is the node connected? And this is going to be important to be able to trace the node. There's actually a lot of UI work. Oh. Okay. You never play, you always do. Let's go try me. I don't know how far this project will go. So the return invest from is a little bit tricky. We will have to do a lot of work here. But investing. So I want to check something. So we're gonna create a boolean is connected and if it is not connected, then we have a problem. Actually, let's use the logger. Yeah, I picked the way expression. So here we have, let's build it up. We want to the node isn't connected. It's kind of weird because it's not chase anyway, so it's not gonna be connected, but... Oh, actually, this is missing an error. Meaning return. Okay, so let's... Oh, we have a problem. We gotta fix the problem. Map node UI, is it? Initialize production site. Maybe we will go to the current tab here. I gotta check. Production, on to the chase plan. Yes. Okay, so we should have fixed a few things. So we have the city, which is connected. And we have the farm here, so we can invest and remove. But here, node is unconnected, but we can buy battery farm and then empty node. But then we have this problem of being able to solve it. Now, I'm gonna ignore this problem at the moment because it requires an algorithm to actually go fetch whether or not it is connected to a city. And I don't think I want to go into that right now. So here I want to be able that when I click on the node, it goes back to the invest. Okay. So let's see. Because I think I have this, yes. I'm gonna go with just this line. It's kind of a messy fix. I believe it is. Yeah, it doesn't work. Ah. I have to be a little bit more crafty, I guess. Okay, so where is it blocking? Because let's trace back what happened. Okay, I'm just tracing this back and I'm going to you. Nano UI. Nope. But what is it affecting? Node press. Come on. Ah. Map no 3D. On. Oh, there we go. Okay. I think a game is called Space Universe will be made. Naval scientists teleport the player to the last out of 5 different universes as a result of experiment or watch this escape. Player escapes and fights scientists, and they win, but they have to pass 5 different universes. The universe and pass through all the spiders, legs, monsters, and trio order. I'll decide if you. This idea is that it could work for the law side. It's missing the gameplay. No. Maybe that's what you said earlier. I said Skyblock. I don't think you would do that in Skyblock. So right here we have a problem. Maybe we could have a refocus. Like, okay, app node UI. Is there an instance here? There's the bug instance. Anyway. Right here. Refocus. I'm just gonna check that. I have debug. Can't refocus on a different node. Okay, and productions. Site tab container. Huh. Oh. Makes sense. There we go. You can create your own draw information, I think you just mentioned. Yes, skyblock. Ooh. So I want to say that it sounds like dumb stuff. You could like explore and see what worked and what didn't. Oh, except that I created a function but didn't use it. So refocus. Here. I'm gonna send the map node now. Yes. I'm sorry I'm sighing this much. It looks like I have a few things to let out. Alright, refocusing works. That's great. Now we want to block the You're ready to make your skyblock game tomorrow. So I'm kind of bursting open windows here, right? Because eventually you might be aware of this, right? You might already know I made a series about skyblock, which eventually I stopped. I don't know what I will do with that, because I wanted to restart this series at some point, which I'm not gonna do. So I'm pondering. I mean, this series is in huge limbo. I wanted to just keep going with it, but since then I switched to C#. So it's kind of which makes it hard to keep going with GD script, and eventually I restart it fully in the future, but not in a different way. Because yeah, there's a lot of things which need to change in this, I think. That's old stuff. So, here I want to block the assignment of worker if the name is shit. Worker. Worker. Assign worker. So we assign it to a production site. And okay, so check node ownership. Okay, what I do love most of the music's from Bloodline. I'm actually yearning for something. Alright, what I'm thinking this one, except that okay. Let's just say that I don't pursue. Oh, it's actually good. It's actually good, so let's bring it back. It was 40 right here. A little bit of something new, I don't know. You're waiting for your response quotation. Okay. Okay. Wait a second. Did I receive a message on Discord or something? I don't think so. We're gonna check the ownership of map. Well, actually having it not connected is a little bit more complex than that. Well, no, actually, it's just ownership. Yeah, never mind. No big deal. Oh, continuing together. Okay. In this sense. So the way I go with this in general, I act as a I gotta check something in a dictionary. Just checking. Yeah, actually. Yes, that's kind of it. Yeah, pretty much it. So I was saying. So usually in this kind of project, as a consultant, you can reach to me to ask questions, propose some tasks, what? And I will ponder whether it fits in what I can do or not. Pretty much. Actually, I already have something. Is connected? Is owned. Actually, I didn't set my activity in Discord. That's a shame. It's probably too late though. Okay, what if I... Nah. Sag. Okay, wait a second. I lost the chat. Lost the chat. There we go. Yep, good night to you. So here we're just gonna go that return data instance resource. Node enum is purchased. So this is what we're going to be using here. Not that. So assign worker, boolean, node is purchased, and oh, that's the production side enum. You. Oh my god. I hate that. Ah. So assign work. I gotta find whatever is throwing that signal. Yes, that's the problem. All right. Production site handler. Wait, I have no UI with it? Oh yes, there it is. Because either we actually create a way for the production site to trace back the node it's from, or we have to give it in another way. So production site. Yes, we only have. It's not aware of the it's not aware of the node it's coming from. I think I have a UI component specifically made for this. Like, if I go in there, worker list UI, nah. Worker UI, nah. Productions, worker button. And yeah. I think it's gonna be necessary to change the way they are created. That's probably the simpler way. So here we just go in the production site CS. And we add like a public app node enum and app node enum. Okay, and this way we can trace it back. Okay, good. We're getting out of it. So we need to load production site. Actually, we're gonna keep that. Production site. Production site enum, reload this, and we have production site map node enum. Okay, good. So if not node is purchased, actually logger trying to assign a worker to a node. Not node. It's not really English, but that's not a problem. I hope it works. I hope it works. Trying to assign a worker to a node not O. Great. We can buy it now. And there we go. Woo! Okay. Let's move the mic. Sorry for convenience. I'm actually gonna go check on this. Can I click? Yes. Okay, so prevent production site use when the node is unknown. Just did. Rebind escape, not done. Create map node connections, it's done. Move the camera, it's not done. Create a connected node by default, it's done. And the bug is fixed. I change the style. Create sub issue. I like the idea. Move the camera to the node when inspected. In fact, now that we have this thing where we can now that we have this ability to jet back to the node, the escape thing isn't necessary anymore, I think. I'm thinking hard right now, that's why I'm being silent. Regarding what I want to do next. So this I kinda want to can I edit? Yes. I'm thinking it's actually in the realm of possibility to actually model a few things. I don't know. I don't know if I want to be modeling when I'm chilling rather than. I don't want to say the pressure of being live, but kind of. We still don't have the buildings. So eventually I could do a few things for the buildings. We could, okay, and assigning workers. That's something which would be interesting. Let's see how we can assign workers. So what do we have in the UI? We have production side UI. Yes. We had a worker UI. So how does this work? We have a vertical box. So what if I have a button? Ah. I don't really like it. Let's see. Layout, the transform is 31. Remove button. So does a worker have a ID or something? Yeah, the entire worker. Okay, so let's bring the button in there. Private button, remove button. Alright, so in there, I actually want to make a check. The work is null. Actually, it's not an error anymore. I'm gonna remove that. Okay, so here the remove button, visible, false. And the remove button visible true if there is actually an occupation. Now I guess we just have to connect the button. So before I actually make the method, would be nice to know what it is expecting. Well, nothing, because it doesn't have the method. Ouch. Just grinded. Very uncomfortable. And assign worker. Okay. Can I get where did the worker code? Assign productions. It's a string. You're kidding me. I'm gonna murder my past self. It's alright. Alright, alright, alright. I will do it. It is the kind of moment where I just want to throw everything. Actually, it's an enum. Okay. And here, getting him load. Okay. So we load with the enum, that's good. Kind of. Because we don't have the dictionary. Alright. So now everything's broken, pretty much. And we don't have... Oh, that's why? That's why. Wow. I hate that. Okay. So we have production set on idle. Okay, okay. So production side enum. Worker assign production side enter. Actually, we can just go production side enum. Okay. Phew. But no, there's definitely problems. Show me the problems. I'm ready. If is equal to idle, I guess. Then, where are we? Here we have the production enum again. Oh, nope, we don't. Okay, rebuild. I hate doing that. So. Worker .assign production side is equal to idle. But before that, we do want production site handler. Actually, and assign worker. So, unassign worker. Alright, let's create this method. I don't have it. A production side handler. Yes. So I guess this. Same line. Said line. The production side. Yes, there we go. Is that null? By default? Yes. Yes, it is. I see weird. Anyway, I guess we're good. Except that, yeah, we just need to get this signal ready. And there we go. Honestly, I'm expecting a huge crash. Not really a crash, but a not working situation. Okay, let's just see this one. It's fine. Aha! Oh. I broke the game. Yeah, so back to Godot farm. Can invest in there. Actually, let's remove the investment. So we can't assign anyone. That makes sense. We can invest in there and assign this guy. Now I can remove it. I have the slight feeling that the button is unconnected. Two things though. This worker button. I'm gonna remove the focus. First thing. Second thing, worker. Remove the focus as well. Okay, good. So anyway, we want to now remove button pressed. Let's see. That seems correct.
When the Lamb opened the seventh seal, silence covered the sky.
I'm not resetting the workload, but why not? So yeah, let's have a little bit more workload down. We're gonna remove the guy. And if it does, that crash the game. Oh, come on! Why? Let's see. Did I forget something? Probably saving. What is it? I'm starting to pile up a little bit of frustration. So yeah, the progress is still here. But it works. Works great! I actually love it. We just need to reset the workload. Do I actually do that right now? It's actually only an hour. It's just like... I feel like it's been so long. So I think we just have to go in the production site handler. And here something like private void static. Let's put that right here. So we reset this little progress. Actually, I might not have to create a function here. I just have to go in the resource, and here we have progress. Reset work. And it's gonna be as simple as workload progress is 0. Goodbye. Yup. So here production site state reset. And we info. Why? Come on. Stretching. Oh, it's half bad, half good. There we go. Something's off. What the hell? Oh. Uh-huh. Wrong key. And it's back to 0. Great. Okay. Well. I think that's gonna be all I will be doing at the moment. I'm slightly but surely losing my composure. Oh, okay, so I think that's gonna be the end. So, yeah. I'm just vibing with the music a little bit. You guys, thank you for being here, passing by. I wish you good luck and good energy on the process of making your own games, if you do, or coding whatever you're coding, you're coding other game. So yeah, I'll be disappearing, saying goodbye. I'm waving at the camera, it's useless, I'm not here anymore. But yeah, I'll see you later. I'll try to not take 6 days to make another stream. And eventually I will try to make a little bit of better models. Like, I've found some tutorials to make great low poly terrain, and I can't wait to try to do it right. So you guys take care, and I'll see you later. I'm out.